In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add emoji on x.com, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. Whether you're posting a new tweet or replying to someone's post, adding emojis is a quick way to make your message stand out, feel more expressive, and grab attention in the feed. This is a super easy tutorial, so even if you've never used x.com before, you'll be able to follow along in seconds. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the home page, look for the post box at the top of the screen. If you want to reply to someone instead, you can use the reply field under the post. This works the same way either way, so choose whichever one fits what you want to do. Now click inside the post box or reply field to activate the composer. Once it's open, look near the bottom of the composer box and find the smiley face icon. That is the emoji button, and it's the one you'll use to add emojis to your post. Click that smiley face icon and a full emoji menu will appear. Inside this menu, you can browse through different categories to find the emoji you want. You'll usually see groups like smileys, people, objects, nature, food, and more, depending on how the menu is organized. If you already know what you're looking for, you can also use the search bar to quickly find the perfect emoji without scrolling through everything. Just type in a keyword like heart, fire, smile, or star, and x.com will show you matching options. When you find the emoji you want, simply click it once and it will be inserted directly into your post or reply. You can add one emoji or several emojis depending on the style of your message. After that, you can continue typing your text around it to make your post look exactly how you want. If you're adding emojis to make your content more engaging, a good tip is to keep them relevant to your message so it feels natural instead of cluttered. A well-placed emoji can make a post feel friendlier, more readable, and more eye-catching, especially when you're sharing opinions, announcements, or reactions. Once your post looks good, you can go ahead and publish it like normal. And that's it. You've now learned how to add emoji on x.com or Twitter in just a few clicks. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech guides and social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.